How to save payment method on Best Buy app. To save payment method on Best Buy app, you have to first thing first log into your Best Buy app onto your device. After which you want to go to the Me from the bottom right corner of the screen. As you go to this section, then you want to go ahead and at the very top you have this payment method. You want to tap open that up, and this is the place where you could go ahead and start adding in your payment method or your payment information like your credit card and all that. You could also apply for a reward cashback as well. And if you want to add a new one, you could go to the plus button over here and start adding in a card details. That includes entering your CVV code, your 16-digit code, and the name or the name on the card as well. Once you're done adding the following information, you could simply go ahead and tap onto the save payment, and you could also set it as a default one. And this way you're supposed to save payment method on Best Buy app. And for some reason, if you're not able to add in the card, it could be due to the issue with the bank or the credit card. So you might want to contact support, let them know about it, and they can handle things from then. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.